why does it hurt so much suddenly? Ow, Ramon. Mom, Dad, my tooth hurts super badly right now. Hey, that didn't hurt at all. My tooth feels much better now.
All clean. But you must protect your teeth from sugar every day.
Wow, look at all this candy. It looks so tasty and sweet today. I can eat just one little piece before dinner starts, right? Yum! This strawberry gummy is the best thing I have ever tasted. So soft and sugary. I really love sweet candy so much.
Well, maybe just one more piece won't hurt anybody at all.
Mom is busy in the kitchen, so she will never notice this. Hey, Finn. What are you doing in here all by yourself? Oh. Nothing at all, Nia. I am just playing with my toys. Are you sure? I see a shiny candy wrapper right on your rug. That is just an old wrapper from yesterday, I promise you. Dinner is almost ready, Finn. You should not eat sweets right now. Don't worry, Nia. My stomach has plenty of space for delicious food.
Dinner is ready, everyone. Come to the table while it is warm.
Wash your hands first, kids. We have a wonderful dinner tonight.
Everything smells so delicious, Mom. Thank you for cooking for us. Oh boy, I am suddenly not very hungry for dinner tonight, Mom.
Are you feeling okay, Finn? You usually love chicken and crisp vegetables.
I am just a little tired today. Can I be excused, please?
That is strange. Did you eat any snacks before sitting down here?
No way, Dad. I did not eat any snacks before dinner at all.
You should eat at least your vegetables, Finn. They make you strong.
Ouch. My back tooth feels a little funny when I bite down.
Does your mouth hurt, sweetheart? Let me take a look inside.
No, it is fine now. See? I am totally okay, Mom.
All right, Finn. Go wash your face and prepare for bedtime now.
Uh-oh. My tooth is starting to throb a tiny bit now. Ow! Ouch! Oh no, why does it hurt so much suddenly? Ow, Ramon! Mom! Dad! My tooth hurts super badly right now.
Finn, what is wrong? Why are you crying and holding your face?
It hurts right here. A sharp pain inside my back tooth. I found this empty bag of candy under Finn's pillow, Mom.
Oh, Finn. Did you eat this entire bag of sweets before dinner?
I am sorry. I ate all the candy because it tasted so good.
Eating that much sugar at once is very bad for your teeth.
We need to take you to the dentist right now to help.
Get your shoes on, Finn. The evening dental clinic is open now.
Don't be scared, Finn. The friendly dentist will fix your toothache. Will the dentist hurt my tooth more, Dad?
I am really scared.
The dentist is here to help you stop the pain, my brave boy.
Here we are, Finn. Everything is going to be completely fine soon.
Hello, Finn. Come sit in this cool chair. What happened to your tooth?
My back tooth hurts really bad after I ate a lot of candy.
Thank you for telling me the truth, Finn. Let's inspect your smile now. Open wide like a lion. Ah, I see a small cavity starting here.
Is it very bad, doctor? Can you help relieve his tooth pain?
When you eat lots of sugar, tiny bacteria make acids that hurt teeth.
So sugar creates acid that digs little holes in our teeth, right?
Exactly, Nia. Sugar creates acid, which destroys the strong enamel protection layer.
So the candy I ate made my tooth break and hurt like this?
Yes, but I am cleaning away the bad bacteria right now to help.
Hey, that didn't hurt at all. My tooth feels much better now.
All clean. But you must protect your teeth from sugar every day.
What are the best rules for keeping Finn's teeth strong and healthy? Brush twice a day for 2 minutes and eat sweets only rarely.
I will help you remember to brush every morning and night, Finn. I promise I will never eat a whole bag of candy again.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Your advice is super helpful for us.
Let's go home now. You need a good night of rest, Finn.
I feel so much better now, Dad. Thank you for taking me. Ready for our bedtime routine. Put a small pea-sized toothpaste on top. Just a little pea-sized squeeze, right, Nia? Like the doctor showed us.
Brush in gentle circles all around every tooth, front and back sides.
Circular motions all around, cleaning away every single bit of sugar.
Great job, kids. Brushing properly keeps those nasty cavities far away.
All clean. My teeth feel so fresh and smooth right now, Mom.
Sleep tight, my brave boy. Tomorrow is a brand new, healthy day.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. I learned my lesson about candy today.
Good morning, everyone. Breakfast is ready on the dining table today.
Good morning, Mom. My tooth feels totally awesome and healthy today. Look, Finn. We have juicy strawberries, apples, and sweet yellow bananas.
Fresh fruits have natural sweet flavor that is great for your body.
This crunchy apple slice tastes even better than sugary candy. Fruits give you great energy to play all day long without toothaches.
I am so proud of you, Finn, for making better, healthy choices.
Healthy food is super awesome, and brushing my teeth is super easy. Every morning and every night, 2 full minutes keeps teeth bright. A healthy family is a happy family. Enjoy your breakfast, everyone. Say goodbye to candy pain and hello to a shiny, strong smile.
Finn learned that taking care of your teeth makes you truly happy.
Remember, friends, eat healthy fruit and brush your teeth twice every day.